Well, it is another balmy day here in northern Illinois, and I'm back out in the ice. I'm actually back where I last left off fishing in my last ice fishing video. You guys remember that? The video where the rod almost went in the hole? Yeah, well, basically, I've decided to come back here to get redemption on some of those fish. A little bit of twist though today. I'm actually fishing with some viewers, actually quite a lot of viewers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5? Is that it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Are there 5 people out here right now? 1, 2, 3, 5. Including me, 6. And we are hunting for some icicle bass. Long story short, I had a viewer hit me up. His name was Casey. He said that his buddy had seen some of Sam and I's holes out here from the last time we fished here. And I was like, no way, there's no chance. This lake is so small. There's no possible way that someone else knows about this spot. And of course, the guys that live just right next door over to Sam's friend's house also fish here as well. And they have yet to really crack into some decent ice fishing here. They come out here in the summertime and crank on fish, which is something that Sam and I don't really do. We really excel here in the wintertime. So I decided to come out here with them today, and we are going to try to do our best to catch some fish out of the ice. Temps are right around in the negatives. The sun is out. It's absolutely beautiful. Now let's hope for some fish. Oh, fish, 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 fish. Left, left, left. Plugg. There he goes. Is he on? That was the roach. That has to be a decent bass. Yeah, you got him. You got him.
Hey, Christian, you grab my camera.
Let that one run. How's it feel? I'll spot you. I'll get this fish.
Feels good.
First one of the day.
This is the big roach.
Dude, I watched the rod go down before the flag went up.
Really?
Yeah, it was like.
Oh, I think he's close actually.
What do you think, man? Good bass?
I think it's gonna be bass, dude. Nice one. Woo!
Nice head shakes.
Oh yeah.
Big old dinner plate crappie, maybe.
Close. All the weights here.
It's close. Ooh. There you go. Largy.
Ooh.
Nice fish, dude.
Oh yeah.
Boom.
That's a beauty.
How long was it in the hole for? Not that long.
Dude, probably like 15 minutes to be honest. Oh, that's perfect, right?
Right in the corner too. Love that.
Comes right off. Absolutely gorgeous.
Is that the first one you guys have gotten out of here?
Yeah.
No
First
way.
one.
Congratulations. Majestic. Nice job, dude. Congrats. Found it.
Thanks.
Many more. Many more to come, man.
So how far was that one off the bottom?
The day really started off with a pretty strong bang. We had been there for not only even 15 minutes yet, and within moments, we had a hookup. One of the rods had gone off. Now, one of the things I didn't realize in the moment, which I found out later, is that was actually Cade's first ever bass through the ice. It wasn't my fish. I didn't really help him catch it, but I shared that like enthusiasm with him. I'd barely even... Dino, will you shut your trap, please? Shut it. I mean, I literally met these guys like 20 minutes ago, and I already felt like I was a part of the team. It's crazy how a fish catch like that can break the ice sometimes and really start bonding everyone. What are you crying for? Can you stop crying? Oh, can you just chill for a moment? I'm trying to film this little thing so the peeps have a little more context as to what's going on in this video. Anyway, yeah. You get the point. Boom, just like that, first fish of the day. We were pretty stoked. The blood was pumping, the energy was high, and then this happened. Oh, there's a fish. There's a fish. Got him. Yeah, that was really close. Oh my God. That could have been so bad. That was a good fish. How is the minnow even still on there? And now it's really screwed, it's soaking wet. But there's a fish in here that keeps messing with me. I look at the rod going like this. I'm like, oh, it's a fish. I like took my time. I was like waiting for him to really take it, and the thing goes like straight over. I'm like, what? This is a productive hole. This one keeps going off. Whew. All right, well, lesson learned. I guess the rod holder doesn't really do it much good. Oh, grab it, grab it. You got it. Is he on? Oh, get him. Easy, easy. Got him, look at that. Nice grab, dude. This fish has been messing with us all day.
Look at that.
That won the hole again, didn't it?
Yeah.
Almost.
What the hell? It's crazy. There's a rod right there, a rod right there, but this is the only one that goes off.
That's a beauty.
I am a firm believer in fish coming back to a rod. I think that honestly was a fish that almost took the rod in the hole. Do I know for sure? Is there any way of knowing for sure? Probably not, but in my head, I think it was. After that nice 2.5 pounder came up through the hole and we finally managed to snag that one, another rod decided to go off. Whoa! There you go. Nice grab. Take it easy. Take it easy on that fish. That's a good one. You got a good fish. Take it easy on it. Oh, you all right? You okay? Nice one, dude. Oh my God, look how you swallowed that. All right. I just heard you go boom. Dude, this has been the day of chaos. Rod's almost going to the hole. How far was it down the hole?
It was right here. It like stopped because of the ice. But my reel's like.
You got lucky. These fish are pissed off today. This is absolute chaos. Not a whole lot of bites today, but the ones that are biting are mean as all hell. So this is what we got going on. This is the situation. This is probably the sloppiest, and I mean the sloppiest setup for dead sticks. We've got 1, 2, 3 right there. That's kind of neat. But then we've got 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. That's about 6 foot, that's about 8, and that's about 10. And these all have big minnows on them. It's kind of a weird situation where you have to, you know, trial and error. Sometimes the fish are moving. When you think you found the fish, they've already moved to the spot that you just left. It's so confusing. Ice fishing can be such a headache, even on small bodies of water like this that don't get pressured. So at the moment, we're really working hard to find the mother lode. Fish! Is he on? Need help? There you go.
Nice.
Dude, there's some fish over here. How's that your second one of the day?
Yeah.
That big one and then that one?
Yeah.
It's a good little fish.
Nice.
That is bass number, what bass is that, 4 or 5? 4? Bass number 4. This is the part of the video where it got really stale. The bites slowed down. People's hopes were starting to get kind of low and slow. We just really stopped seeing any action, and we had rods literally all over the lake. So with the graveyard bite going on, I decided to pull a little prank. Yo, who out of your group could we pull a prank on?
George, because he blew it twice.
Okay.
He was saying, he's like, I swear to God, he goes, if I don't catch one, I messed up twice. I
Okay.
was so pissed.
Cade says so, George, you're the target. So my plan was to set up a fake dead stick rod in the ice shanty and drill a hole really close to the edge of the tent, like the wall basically, and then drill a hole on the outside of the tent. So there's a hole on the inside of the tent and there's a hole on the outside. So what I was gonna do is tie up a rod with a 7-Up can in the inside of the tent, slip it over and under on the outside so that I was able to kind of pull that line out and make it seem like there's a fish. This is a classic ice fishing prank. I did not come up with this, but it's always good to play this on someone, especially when the bite is mega slow, which might I add, it was. So after I set up the whole prank, this is what went down. Let's make something up. Be like, dude, it could be like a freaking channel, like a giant channel. Like it's a 7 all day. This is actually working out perfectly. Here's the 10-pound bass George is gonna catch. So right now we're gonna pull an epic prank. The bite is mega slow, so we're gonna have some fun here. This right here is a trophy catch for George. We're gonna take this, slide it under the ice so it pops back over on the other side. There we go, up she comes.
Nice, perfect.
Oh, this is gonna be epic. You guys just being here like, dude, it's a freaking giant. And if he asks for aim, I'll just be like, oh, I got a fish out here, or something like that. Oh, sorry.
Yeah, he's coming back.
Okay. Ooh, I got a mark in here. Would you guys mind watching my rod? I'll be right back. Thanks.
Grab it. Fish on!
Oh, damn. Hold on, George. Take your time, take your time. You look good, George?
I don't know, it like runs and stops.
That's a huge fish. Oh, dude, it's running. Oh my God.
I think it's pretty good.
You think
That's a good fish.
Dude, it is just pulling!
Dude, Jesus.
You guys have one in there?
Yes, where have you been?
Oh, no way.
Dude, this thing's been pulling drag for the last 2 minutes. What am I supposed to do? I
Dude, you
can't.
just gotta tire him out, dude. It's huge.
Is it a largie?
Dude, I don't know. It's fighting.
Close. Nice catch, bro.
Nice one, George. That's huge.
Dude, how big did you think it was?
I thought it was a PB.
I'm sorry, I had to do it to someone. I actually feel bad because all I heard is just nothing, just silence in it. I'm sorry, dude. All right, boys, thanks for the invite. Appreciate it. See ya. Take care. All right, well, let me know if you guys catch any more. Peace. And just like that, the day was over. I always love fishing with viewers. It's always a very good experience. Only on like very rare occasions has it ever gone south. But for the most part, it's always great meeting new people and making new friends that share the same passion of filming and fishing. If you guys watching right now want to check out their perspective of the day and see their videos, I'll leave them linked in the description below. Even though I didn't catch any fish today, it still felt like an amazing success in my books. I got to see, you know, Cade catch his first fish to the ice, and a lot of these guys really have never been ice fishing too much before, so it was cool being a part of that experience for them. Before I sign out, I want to show you guys a new shirt that I got working, that I'm cooking up. New Lucky rigged shirt. I don't know if this is even gonna sell or if you guys even want it, but I'll leave it linked in the description below. It's a sick little shirt. Unfortunately, she's not here right now, otherwise I would sign out with her in my lap. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Rigged gear link in the description below, along with those other dudes' channels, and I am signing out. Stay safe, stay warm, and as always, keep fishing. Never stop.